Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to talk about comparison operators in Python. Comparison operators are used to check two or more values together. Basically, the main idea of the comparison operators is to compare values together. So in programming, we use this keyword. So you can see there are many comparison operators are given here. One of them are equal to, not equal, this is greater than, this is less than, this is greater than or equal to, this is less than or equal to, and so on and so forth. For example, what I'm going to do, this is an equal signs. In programming, things are weird. For example, when you declare a variable, you put one equal sign for assignment. For example, this equal sign, it's an assignment operator in Python. I'm again telling this one equal sign, it's an assignment operators. And what is the equal sign? Equal signs is 2. This is the equal signs in programming. In programming world, things are messy, things are confusing. For example, you may think in real world this is the equal signs in real world, but in programming world, double equal signs are equal operators, equal, okay? And one equal signs are assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to one variable like that. For example, I'm going to create a number variable, I'm going to assign 3 to it, so it is an assignment operator, it's not an equal operator. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some comparison. So I'm going to say 5 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5 is true, okay? I'm going to run this. 5 is equal to 5 is true, but 5 is equal to 2 is false. And you can see 5 is equal to 2 is false because 5 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5 is true, but 5 is equal to 2 is false. So like I said before, comparison operators are used to check values. I think you can understand it. Comparison operators are used to check values. And you can see I'm typing 10 is equal to 10. 10, this 10, okay, this 10 is equal to this 10 is true. Yes, that is equal to this 10, so it returns true. What I'm going to say, 10 is equal to 9, so now the result is going to be false because 10 is not equal to 9, okay? So if you say 10 is equal to 9, false, because 10 is equal to 10, it's not equal to 9. So this time the Python returned false. This 10 is not equal to 9, so that's why this sentence is false. The not operator, this is very confusing one, so I'm going to try to explain this, okay? And I'm going to say 10 or 5 is not equal to 6, okay? 5 is not equal to 6. Now if I run this program, it says true. Yes, just think like this, just listen my English, okay? 5 is not equal to 6. Yes, 5 is not equal to 6. 5 is equal to 5. Okay, 5 is not equal to 6, so this statement becomes true, okay? Like that, 5 is not equal to 8. Yes, 5 is not equal to 8. Yes, true, it will return true. Yes, 5 is not equal to 8. 5 is equal to 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say 5 is equal to 5. So this time the program is going to return false, okay? You can say false. Why? Because 5 is not equal to 5 is false, because 5 is not equal to 5 is false. 5 is equal to 5, so that's false. The next one is greater than, the greater than operators. So the greater than operators is like this. So 5 is greater than 2, so 5 is bigger than 2. Yes, 5 is a bigger number, so this time it's returned true. Yes, 5 is a bigger number. And I'm gonna say like less than, okay? I'm gonna say 10, okay? 10 is less than this operator, okay, less than 2. So this time is going to return false. Why? Because 10 is less than 2 is false, because 10 is a bigger number. 10 is greater than 2 is true. Okay, 2 is true. So you can ask me one question: why this equal, greater than, or equal signs are exit? For example, and 4 is greater than 3 is false. Okay, true. Okay, 4 is greater than 3. Yes, 4 is greater than 3 is true. 4 is I'm gonna say like this: 2 greater than 3, greater than 3 is false. Okay, now if you put the equal sign over here, it will return 2. I'm gonna give you this example. Okay, 2 is greater than 2, but this time the program is going to return false, because 2 is less than 2. 2 in programming world, things are confusing. Okay, in 2 is greater than or equal to 2. This time when you run it, it'll return true. Okay, I'm gonna give you another example. Okay, 5 is greater than 5 is false, because it's equal. 5 is not greater than 5. 5 and 5 are equal, like that 2 and 2 are equal. It's not greater than. Okay, it's not greater than, it's equal. 5 and 5, so it's written false. So in order to give this equal functionality, you can simply put this. Okay, now the conditional will be changed. Now when I read the programming, 5 is greater than or equal to 5. Condition is true. Yes, 5 is greater than or equal to 5. Yes, 5 greater than is failed. Okay, but equal signs is here. Oh my god, that equal 5 is equal to 5, so it should return true. Like that, the less than one. Okay, if you say 10 is less than, okay, 2 is less than, okay, 2 is less than and equal to 2. Yes, true. Okay, if you don't put this equal signs, is going to return false. The reason 2 is not less than 2. 2 is equal to 2. Okay, that's why you have to put this equal sign. So now if you read 2 is less than or equal to 2, so this condition becomes true. Yes, equal signs is there, so even if this one fails, the equal signs will pass, so therefore it's written true. Like you can try with another data, like 6 is less than or equal to 6 is true, but 6 is less than 6 is gonna be false. Okay, this is the basic logic in comparison operator. So if it is very complicated for beginners, I can definitely tell, because it will confuse you. So if you don't understand it, and watch this video once again and go ahead and research on Google, type comparison operators in Python. You will end up with bunch of resources, and try to understand these concepts, because it is very important in programming. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.